Enteekateeka ez'okuggya obwesige Minisita Omubeezi ow'ebyamayumba Zitandise ng'olunaku lwaleero ekiteeso ekimugyamu obwesige kireeteddwa mu butongole omubaka Okot John Amos owa Agago North. Ono oluvannyuma lw'okwanja ekiteeso kye kiwagiddwa ababaka abawerako era mu kwogera ku kiteeso kye ategeeza nga Minisita Namuganza bw'atyobodde ekiibwa kya Paalamenti mu nneeyisa ye era ntagwanidde kubeera minisita wa nyaffe Uganda.
Where derogatory and were found by Parliament to amount to gross misconduct and misbehavior, and affront to the dignity of Parliament, denigrating public trust and confidence in the authority and integrity of the office of the Speaker, members of Parliament, and the institutions of Parliament, and brought the House and its members into disrepute. And our conduct was in breach of the Code of Conduct for the members of Parliament.
Abantu bakiise abawagidde ekiteeso kye nabo boogedde ku lwaki bavuddeyo okukiwagira.
The Honourable Minister decided to give hectares of land to ourselves, to our people, and she intimidated arrogantly Uganda Land Commission using our power in the name of the President.
The name she carries, Princess, does not depict what she speaks. It couldn't cost her anything to say, I am sorry, honorable colleagues. Her mentioning that she regrets, that was an insult to the whole House.
Stand strong in disciplining any member who tries to offend the dignity of Parliament. But right, Honourable Speaker, why I'm even more convinced on this motion is that the person in question is not a first offender. Analyzing her history in the previous Parliament, analyzing her history with her previous supervisors, senior ministers in different ministries, this person is a perpetual offender, and it's only right for this House to put her in her right place.
Wabula mu kusooka omumyuka w'omukuzi w'ekikolo gw'eggwanga olukulu Thomas Tayebwa asoose kulabula ababaka ng'ekiteeso kino bwe kitagenda kukubibwako birowoozo olunaku lwaleero okutuusa alipoota ey'awamu ng'emaliriziddwa era nga n'omukulembeze w'eggwanga ategeezeddwa ku ky'okuggya obwesige mu minisita we.
Now, formally invite the Chief Petitioner, Honourable Okot Amos, to formally move the censure motion and lay all supporting documents on the table, and also guide that each document so laid shall be endorsed by the clerk. Honorable Amos, I invite you and colleagues, this motion, according to Article 118 of the Constitution, Clause 5, is not subject to debate. After tabling of the motion, within 72 hours, I have to write to the President. I write to the President to inform his minister that Parliament intends to censure the minister, clearly showing the grounds, the signatures, and supporting documents.
Tayebwa era asomedde Paalamenti ebbaluwa Minisita Namuganza gye yawandiikidde mukama we nga yeemulugunya ku ngeri ensonga ze gye zikwatiddemu ate nga zirina mu kkooti.
That on the 7th December 2022, while Parliament was in session, I objected to the debate of the above captioned report on grounds of sub judice. I laid on table and informed the Speaker and Parliament before the debate ensued that I had filed a constitutional petition number 41 of 2022 challenging the actions and omissions that led to the report, and the petition is pending determination, and that the debate was barred by the rule of sub judice.
Wabula okwemulugunya kwa Namuganza, Speaker Anita Mong yakuganye era n'akakasa nti buli kimu ekigenda maaso kigoberera amateeka era nti kyagamba nti ensonga ziri mu kkooti buli kimu kyagenda okubeerawo nga tannaddukira mu mbuga z'amateeka.
Courts of law have on numerous occasions ruled that a matter is not sub judice where the petitioner ran it court after Parliament had commenced investigations into the matter. The court matter must have been filed prior to the commencement of the parliamentary inquiry. In this case, your petition was filed in court after the notice of motion of censure had been duly served on the clerk to Parliament. At that stage, no matter was pending before court, and the notice of motion for censure could not prejudice a court matter which was not yet lodged in court.
Tayebwa ng'abadde mu mitambo gy'olutula lwa leero naye ensonga eno agirambiseeko.
Honorable Amos had a list that beat the deadline and a list that was beyond the deadline. So the list that was beyond the deadline was reaching 259 members who had signed, but the list that I verified that beat the deadline had 196 members. The requirement for a motion to be tabled is 176 members. So meaning he went beyond the threshold by 20 members. So that leaves me with no option but to allow the motion to be tabled on the floor of the House.
Ekiddako kyakumanyisa mukulembeze w'eggwanga nga minisita we bwe baagala okumuggyako Obwesige, awo akakiiko kaakuteekebwawo kwongera okunoonyereza ku nsonga zino ezaagala okuggyisamu minisita ono Obwesige. Oluvannyuma lw'akakiiko kakwanja alipoota olwo ababaka batandika okubaganya ebirowoozo ku alipoota yaako. Ekinaasalwawo akakiiko awamu n'ababaka kye kijja okugobererwa oba minisita Namuganza aggyibwamu Obwesige oba nedda, ekitegeeza nti kino ekitono nnyo kyakutwala ebbanga lya mwezi mulamba. Kigongo ku lwa Channel 44 Oleggulo.